Hey there, I'm Steve. Welcome to my channel. There is so much upside in business. This is where true wealth is built. But it's also really hard, especially if you don't have the right tools and strategies to help you along the way. I've been there before, scaling, stuck, and struggling. I wish I had access to this type of content when I was starting out, so I'm putting it together for you now. In my videos, I cut through all the hocus pocus noise and deliver exactly what you need to know to build a profitable and iconic business. What makes me unique is that I combine principles of strategy and finance together to drive real value. So be sure to subscribe and let me know how I can help you along the way. Cheers.